For a super easy pasta dish that packs a massive flavour punch, look no further than my recipe for creamy Parmesan spaghettoni. On a baking tray, make 2 piles of grated M&S 30-month matured Parmesan, then pop it in the oven. While that's turning nice and golden, boil your spaghettoni in salted water until it's al dente. Now for the sauce. Gently fry some finely sliced garlic in butter and olive oil. Stir in a handful of roughly chopped sage leaves, then season with some salt and lots of pepper. Add single cream, pasta water, and some more of that lovely nutty M&S Parmesan. Add the spaghettoni and toss, mixing in another ladle of pasta water to loosen everything up. Add 1 last handful of Parmesan for good measure, then serve into bowls. For the finishing touch, crumble your crispy baked Parmesan over each dish. It's like I'm back in Italy. I've got loads more recipes using produce from the M&S farms I've been visiting, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.